In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Life360 without draining battery. To start, open Settings on your mobile device. You can find the Settings icon, which usually looks like a gear, either on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on this icon will take you to a menu where you can adjust various settings for your device. This step is important because it allows you to access the settings you need to optimize Life360's battery usage. Once you are in the Settings menu, you will see a range of options that control how your phone operates. Next, tap Apps. This option typically appears in the main Settings menu. Here you will find a list of all the applications installed on your mobile device. By selecting this, you can manage individual app settings. This is essential because different apps can have unique battery usage patterns and settings. You want to ensure that Life360 is set up to function efficiently without unnecessarily draining your battery. Now find and tap Life360 from the list of apps. You may need to scroll down a bit depending on how many apps you have installed. Selecting Life360 will open a new menu specifically for this app where you can customize its settings. This step is crucial as it leads you directly to the options that will help in managing the app's battery consumption effectively. You should see several options related to notifications, permissions, and battery usage. After that, tap Battery. This will take you to the battery settings specifically for Life360. Here, you will see how much battery the app typically uses and any restrictions that might be in place. It's important to check this information because it gives you insights into how the app is impacting your battery life. You want to make sure that Life360 has the appropriate settings to function properly without taking too much power. Next, select Unrestricted or remove battery restrictions. By doing this, you are allowing Life360 to run freely in the background without limitations. This is vital because when an app is restricted, it may not be able to send location updates as frequently, which can impact its performance. You want to ensure that Life360 can operate efficiently while still conserving battery life. Once you make this selection, you will see a confirmation on your screen indicating that the changes have been saved. This keeps Life360 working properly in the background. You may notice that with these settings adjusted, the app will still provide accurate location tracking while using minimal battery power. This is especially important for users who rely on the app for safety and connectivity. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of Life360 without the worry of your battery draining too quickly. To summarize, you have learned how to optimize Life360's battery usage by adjusting its settings within your mobile device. This simple process ensures that you can use the app effectively without compromising battery life. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you make the most of Life360 on your mobile device.